In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HoneyBook on Squarespace for an audit offer. The process is straightforward and can make managing client information much more efficient. Let's jump right in. To start, you'll need to create and customize a form in HoneyBook designed specifically for your audit offer. First, log into your HoneyBook account. Navigate to the Tools section and choose Lead Capture, then select Lead Forms. Here, you'll want to create a brand new form that's tailored to your audit offer. Customizing the form fields is crucial. You should capture essential information like the client's name and email, as well as specific questions related to their audit needs. For example, ask for their website URL or inquire about specific areas of their businesses they'd like you to audit. Don't forget to include a project type field where clients can select Audit Offer. This feature is handy for triggering specific automations later on. Next, style your form so it aligns with your brand's colors and fonts, ensuring it looks seamless when you place it on your Squarespace website. If you want, set up automations such as a welcome email that provides clients with the next steps after submission. Once you're satisfied with your form design and settings, click Publish. A window will appear showing the embed code. Make sure to copy this code. Now let's head over to Squarespace to add this form to your website. Log into your Squarespace account and open the website where you intend to host this offer. You'll need to create a new page specifically for your audit offer. This could be an audit offer page or perhaps an apply for an audit page, something that clearly signals the purpose to your clients. Once you're on the new page, hover over the content area and click Edit. Add a new section if necessary, then click the plus button to insert a new content block. Choose the code block option. Paste the embed code from HoneyBook into this box. Don't worry if you see a script disabled notification in the editing view. This is completely normal. After pasting the code, save the block settings and also the overall page changes. Preview the page to verify that the form appears and functions as expected. Finally, it's crucial to test your integration. Submit a test entry via the live form on your Squarespace page. Then verify that a new project is automatically generated in your HoneyBook pipeline and check if any automated responses are working as configured. Make sure all the data collected from the form populates correctly within the new HoneyBook project. And that's it. You're all set up to efficiently capture and manage leads who are interested in your audit offer directly through your Squarespace site. Thank you for watching, and I hope this setup helps streamline your process.